Cloud Library is one of the suppliers of our ebooks, and once you've downloaded the app, open the app, and the first thing it will ask you to do is select a language. English is the first one selected, but as you can see from the scroll wheel here, there are a number of languages available. If we tap anywhere on the screen other than the scroll wheel, it continues. Then you select a country, select your state or region, and select your library service. Tap Next. When you tap Accept, you are agreeing to the End User License Agreement, the Terms of Use and the Privacy Policy, so have a read of those, and then tap Accept. Type in your library card ID, and the PIN or password connected to that account. This will open up the Cloud Library tour, which we're going to skip. As you can see, this opens up your home page, but you have options down the bottom: Home, My Books, Search, and Account. And we're going to look at My Books. This is where your checked out items are. You can see a couple of options at the top: your current, history, holds, and saved. And then to find ebooks, go to Search. While it will give you a number of choices here based on different categories, you can also search at the top. To check if an item is available, tap on the title. As we can see, the 450 from Paddington, Miss Marple book, is currently unavailable, but I can put a hold on and it will be available in 14 days. If I choose another item, we can see that the green borrow option has become available. If I tap on borrow, we then have the option to read the item. Once I tap on read, the download will begin. Swiping from right to left will turn the page. And left to right will turn back a page. If we get to the main text, if I tap in the center of the screen, I have a number of options. Tapping on the two A's in the top left corner gives me an option to change the brightness of the screen, my font size, making it larger or smaller, my margin size, making it larger or smaller, depending on what I prefer, and gives me the option of the day view, the night view, which is white text on a black background, or the sepia, brown on yellow, which some people find easier to read. I can also lock the rotation so that my page doesn't move around if I turn my iPad on its side, or I can turn the page curl on and off. So the page curl is the turning of the page animation. So now it just flicks straight across, whereas if I turn the page curl back on, we see that animation happening, which some people find preferable. If I tap on the X in the top corner, it takes me back to my book details in the search, but I can go into my books and I can choose to return this item early if I so desire.